Hello everyone, this is V, Buzzing with V. Welcome to another video. Today's video is my design team package for the month of May from Scrap Diva Designs. So let's go ahead and get on into it. Okay, you guys, there are so many to look at. Before we go into it, I just want to mention her information, and that is Erica at scrapdiva29. She's on Instagram, YouTube, and she also has a TikTok. Wasn't shown here, but I will have it linked below. And also here is the hashtag. You can screenshot that there. The hashtag is for inspiration, you guys. Follow the hashtag and you can gain some more inspiration on all of these amazing dies that she has in her store. Her website will also be linked below. If I inspire you today, please use my discount code. It'll save you. It's V10. That's VEE10. V10. So that'll save you. Well, let's go ahead and get on into it because it's so much, you guys. I am excited, very excited, like always excited to play with these, and she sent quite a bit this month. So we are looking at this cute 3-piece miniature memory decks. There's one, the second piece, and on the back, or on the front is the first piece. So you also get a bow. You also get some greenery, berry branch, and on the back you get the gardening tools. You also get this lamp here. You could do like a vintage paper collection, or you can also do Heritage by Maggie Holmes. That would also go good with that. But this one, Garden Party, would definitely go great with that one. And this one would be anything, Christmas, any holiday. But I'm surprised about this miniature because I've been into miniatures this year, like I've been mentioning throughout the year. It's been hilarious. But yeah, very excited. Okay, next one is this camera here. This is an album camera, and you get the piece for the holes, you get the lens piece, you get multiple lens pieces, you get the base, you also get the lining for the album, and more circle dies here for the lens. You also get a heart if you need to add the heart, but here's hearts right here, so that would go perfect as well. So cute little camera that you can do. You can make so much with this, so we will get into that later. The next one is this Happy Father's Day and Happy Mother's Day sentiment, and definitely is a staple for every year. And you get two of those. You get the base, you also get the layering piece for both. Okay, next is this ladybug. I love ladybugs, you guys. I love them. Me and my kids are always fascinated when a ladybug is around us. So yeah, they're so cute. I love ladybugs. So you get the base, you get the layering piece, which you can also make into a shaker. You also get the decorative piece for the wings, and you get the head right here with the antennas. And then that is all you get. Okay, so that is such a cute die. There's also some butterflies, and you get the base, and you also get the layering piece. You get the body, and you also get this piece right here that you can use as for the body as well, to cover all of your layers. And here is the back here. Everything is stitched, so you have the stitching on each of these dies. So I think they're stacked. Not a base and a layer. I think these are stacked, like the one that I did for the border or the banner front panels. Yeah, I think that's what was her inspiration here. So yeah, this is one of those layering pieces of butterflies where you can stack them up, which look beautiful, you guys, as you've seen in that video. But you get all of these here, and I will show you how to use that in a video to come. Okay, now these are the miniature dies that were for May, that for my design team for May. Let's get on into the larger pieces. Okay, this is my very first die with stamps, which I'm very excited to use because I love, I don't know if you guys know, but I initially started making cards and also doing scrapbook layouts, which I am not advanced in, but I love crafting cards and I do love crafting scrapbook layouts, but I'm not very good at it, but I try. So definitely we'll be using this and hopefully we could make something nice with that. No promises. Okay, next is this memory dex card. Yes, a cupcake memory dex card, you guys. You can use it for birthdays. You can also use it for, you could use this in your scrapbook layout as well because of the memory dex comes separate and the cupcake piece comes separate. You could do it as a shaker or you could do it as a memory dex. It comes with this cute bow here and strawberries and another bow here, layering piece, and a cherry. You get a stick here for your flag. I love that it comes with all of these pieces and all the sprinkles. Amazing. I love it. And so yeah, you could use it as a memory dex or you could use it as a shaker. You could use it as a layering piece for your scrapbook layout. You get this piece here as well, which I'm not sure what this piece is. However, if I had to guess, it would be an interactive piece where you could move your pieces around like in card making, or it could be one of these for here or for here right here. It's probably, this is probably for this right here underneath the icing, I bet. Yeah, but you could use it in different ways. You could use that as an interactive card as well. Oh, that would be neat. Okay, well, this is amazing. I love the cupcake. That is a good one. And she also made the flag pieces here. These are for summer. It says hot, sun, relax, hello, beach, drink, smile, barbecue, and then you get a plain one along with the pole. So love that. And also this one right here. This is the file holder here, which says craft like no one is watching. So you get that piece here. You get the base as well, the lining. And for the box, the file box has the base. It also has the lining. I love that she includes the lining. She also includes stitching for you, so you don't have to do that stitching that I do on it. It's already there for you. If you want to highlight it, I would recommend going over it with either some pen, a marker, or some stamping inks, so you can highlight those stitchings and just give it eye-catching look. So yeah, so that's gonna be a fun die. So this is a charcuterie board. That's a tongue twister for me. So and in each one you get the base and the layering. For the larger, for the smaller ones is just the base. So there are a total of 4 plus that large layering piece for the large board, and then a circular one here. This one also is the same. It has the base for the larger board and then the lining, and then for the smaller pieces is just the base. So these would be like, you can use these for tags, so many things, you guys. So yeah, you get the round one and then also this one, the square one. So that's going to be fun to play with. And then the last one is the butterfly. This is an album. It's a butterfly album. You get the pages here. You also get the base, and here is where you attach this to the spine. You get the base here. You also get the lining. You get extra pieces to make either a butterfly or to add these pages for your album. You get the body of the butterfly, another piece, a layering piece, and on the back you also get the a base, a lining, and as well as a smaller piece, which is, are they the same? Let's see here. Yep, they're the same. So this is going to be an easy album because you get 2 pieces that you can do for each side of the album. And this here is the spine along with the lining, which is amazing. So this one's going to be a really cute one to play with. Again, none of these dies have to be used as they are said to be used. These could be so much more. You can definitely get different projects out of each die. And I also want to mention, because this concludes the video almost with all of these dies that I was sent for my May design team package. Amazing. I also want to mention back in stock are some flowers, double loop bows, loaded banner die set. So all of that has been restocked, as well as the banner front panels, the one that I was just talking about. Also the lipstick treat box, the large pillow box, the medium pillow box, and the Easter treat box. So many boxes, as well as that bow, you guys. That bow's gonna go fast, so be sure to grab that bow and those flowers because those ones are gonna go fast. It's definitely a staple to have in your die collection, especially if you do parties or if you swap projects like I do, and also do a lot of gift giving. Those are definitely a staple. Well, you guys, this concludes the video, and I can't wait to show you exactly how I use all of these very soon. I still have one project to go for my April design team package. I felt ill this last week, so I'm finally able to do some crafting, and I just want to show you that the next project will be this Viewmaster, which is an amazing die, and I'm going to show you how to use it as a memory dex and also as a different project. So stay tuned, you guys, and so much more videos to come with these. So I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.